You too, family. What is going on, man? Welcome back. Welcome back, man. It is your boy Jay the sneaker guy that is coming at y'all with yet another
one.
Yes, another one, another unboxing, man. Today your boy has got something that I have been eyeing. When I say eyeing, man, I was eyeing it for a while, but then I took my attention off of it. Then I got my attention back on it. Then it got off, just a whole lot of back and forth. But I finally said, let me go ahead and pull the trigger on these shoes because it is a shoe that I have wanted for, I think, about 2 years now. I think they released back in 2018. I think 2018. I'm pretty sure it was 2018 that these released, man. And the price has gone up, but it didn't run away as of yet, man. And I was just going back through some shoes on GOAT and StockX, and I was like, dang, what old shoe do I want to grab right now? Because, you know, I had a little extra money that I can, you know, play with at the time. So I went ahead and copped these, man. Like I said, this is a shoe that released in 2018. I would tell you how to guess, but there ain't even no point in doing that because it's millions, thousands, and what of shoes out there that this could be. But this is a Jordan, and dope, man. But if this is y'all first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, go ahead and join the fam. Hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all, like from the bottom of my heart, man. I thank y'all for rocking out with your boy. All the continuous support, man, it does not go unnoticed, man. So hey, big shout out to y'all for keeping me going. And hey, y'all the GOATs, man. And those comments, I will get back to each and every one of them, y'all. What I do, because those comments kind of fill up fast, I kind of just let them fill up, and then, you know, I pick a day and I go back through all my videos and I respond to all the comments. It just works better for me that way because I have to stop so much in each of my daily activities, you know what I'm saying, to respond to those. Not that I'm ignoring y'all or put y'all on hold, but I just figured that's the best way to work for me, man. But enough with the talking, man. Let's go ahead and unbox this package, man. Let me go ahead and grab my box cutter where it's at. And nah, I ain't have nobody throw it to me today because I already have it here, man. But as a matter of fact, man, let's do this the right way. Appreciate you. Dang, we got the box again, man. Gotta do it the right way, bro. It's only right, man. But go ahead and cut this thing open real quick and check these shoes out. I'm gonna keep it a buck, bro. I have never seen these shoes, although they're 2 years old. I have never held these shoes in hand. Haven't held them in hand, like seeing them like this. I might have seen them on feet, but I haven't held them. And you know what I'm saying? We got them. But pop it open the box. It is upside down the way that I'm opening it. But peep this out. Take a look at that. That's the bottom of the box, man. That is the bottom of the box. What shoe, real quick, do y'all think this could be? No, y'all ain't gonna get it right. Somebody's gonna say the name of the shoe after they watch the video and be like, I knew it was. Hey, man, don't cap, bro. Ain't no need to cap, man. And no, this wasn't a stimulus pickup. These shoes were purchased way before stimuluses came out. I'm not spending my stimulus check on shoes because I don't believe that that's what it's for. But if that's what y'all decide to do, to spend it on shoes, that's what y'all decide to do. I'm not spending no stimulus check on no shoes or nothing like that. That is going towards something good. Going to the back of the savings account. Act like I never got it. But yo, man, you do get this type of Jordan box. That black Jordan box with the shadow, as you can see, of my camera. But anyway, black Jordan box. You do got that cement print on it, but it's that dark cement. So of course, you know, yeah, most of my sneakerheads out there, y'all know that this box is a Jordan 3 box, man. So the color blocking on this one is white, fire red, cement gray. Name of the shoe, Air Jordan 3 Retro NRG. Size 9, so that is your boy size, as you can see right there. Clear it up for me. Clear up. Get right. There we go. So that is the size tag, as you can see. And I'm taking it that this is a shoe that was, you know, got from overseas, because it does not have any MSRP on it. Does it look like it was ripped off? Nah, it looked like it never had one. So pretty sure it was an overseas shoe that was sent, because it did come from Hong Kong as far as what the tracking said. So opening up the box lid, I don't see no lot numbers on there, but it does have that red top box lid, so you know that it could possibly be hidden in there. I'm just not seeing it right now, but I don't see it. What I get? Yeah, I do got my StockX stuff in here. This was a pickup from StockX, because I've been rocking out with StockX a lot lately since Gold kind of dropped the ball on you, boy. But I'm gonna cover up my price, cover up my information. Does it show when these were purchased? Nah, these don't. Yeah, it do. Yeah, it do. So, okay. Let me cover up all this stuff right here. Let me show y'all when this was purchased, so y'all know that this wasn't a stimulus purchase. So, covering up my info, as you can see right there, Retro 3. You see the date that it was purchased right there. So it was what? 3/12. That was before stimulus is dropped. So 3/12. And if y'all want to look up what I paid, y'all want to do y'all research because y'all nosy like that, hey, go right ahead. But anyways, taking back a look at this, you do get that OG style cement print. We don't see this type of cement print anymore because we're getting that new style of cement print, but you do got that OG cement print on that paper. And give me 1 second, man. I don't like how I'm seeing my reflection of my camera. It's because I have light behind it, but give me 1 second. All right, that's better. That's better, man. But like I said, cement print paper. You do got your StockX Hype Beast Louis Vuitton bag, card, whatever this is. Don't need that. But StockX sticker, StockX stuff. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. But ooh, bro, I should have been grabbed these, bro. Ooh, I should have been grabbed these shoes, bro, man. Yes, man. Like I read off on the receipt, man. This is the Air Jordan 3. Bang! Free throw line.
Jay making movies. Swap it out, scene, don't shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan 1s cost more than your Gucci. Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis.
Bang! Here they are. The Air Jordan 3 free throw lines, man. StockX pickup. As you can see, you got your StockX hang tag and stuff, man. One thing I noticed off the back is this shoe does have an aged look to it. It does already have like yellowing on it, man. Hopefully I can pick it up and let y'all see what I'm talking about. But taking a look at the back of it, man, I don't know if it's picking up, but you do got like where the stitching is going along the outlines of this. You do got that yellow, like aged look. You can kind of see it, but this whole area right here, even along this collar a little bit, you got that yellowish aged look, man. So be careful when y'all are going back in time, as I did, you know what I'm saying, and pick up shoes, because you know, hey, shoes are getting old. These shoes are getting old. You know, they're 2 years old. It also has a little bit of that yellowing right here, like that aged yellow look, man. But nonetheless, bro, these are dope. Let me go ahead and get this up out the way for a second, man. Nice Nike Air hang tag, as you can see, crisp. It is still clear, you know, no fog or nothing on this. But move this out the way as well, man, so we can just look at the detail of the shoe, man. So taking a look at them right there, bro. Tell me y'all thoughts on these Air Jordan 3 free throw lines, man. Are y'all sleep on these? Did y'all forget about them? Because like I said, this was a shoe that I had in mind for years, like since they first dropped, you know what I'm saying. I just never pulled the trigger. But taking a look at the top of it, you can see it does have that yellowish aged look around that area, man. So man, you know, hey, that's what comes with it. You know, you buying shoes that are really kind of outdated, like even right down the side, bro. Take a look at that. Like, it's got like that old aged look to it. But I don't know, I'm gonna try to you know, put some cleaning wipes to it and see if that does anything to it, but you know, I can't be mad at it. It's a well, it shouldn't be yellow like this for 2 years old or 3 years now, about to be. But it is what it is, man. I know you do got that shot clock time, 3:51, right there behind that Nike Air pull tab on the back. Take a look at that, man. Take a look at that. Nike Air on the back, man. Dope, bro. Just dope, man. And you already know what time it is. It does have yellowing on the outsole as well, man. It's just getting old, man. You know what I'm saying? It's time. But that's what you get when you get icy bottoms on the shoes, man. You will get that aged look. But hey, I am happy. I'm happy with my purchase. I wish that, you know, I got a pure white pair, man. But hey, that's what you get when you going back and buying older shoes, man. But hey, your boy does have the Air Jordan 3 free throw lines in my possession, man. They are added to the collection. Glad to have them. And yeah, man, these came, how long did it take? These took about what, like 2.5 weeks to get delivered to me. So not bad, you know what I'm saying? But hey, man, glad to have them, bro. The Air Jordan 3 free throw lines, as you can see. Let me know, bro. 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes. I know we can make it happen. We be getting all them views, man. Hit that like button for your boy. If we get 1,000 likes, I will throw them on feet, just as I did with the Jordan 1 mid all-stars or carbons, man. So hey, y'all let me know if y'all want to see the review on feet. Not really a review, just a quick overview, because this is an old shoe, but I will throw them on feet for y'all. Hit y'all with that lace swap. Beautiful Nike Air on the back. Beautiful elephant print on the shoe, man. Hey, just let me know if y'all want that review, man. But hey, that's it for this one. Free throw line pickup, StockX pickup, all that. Your boy Jay is checking out with these bang free throw lines, man. Hey, it's jumping from the free throw like MJ. What y'all know about that, man? That old goo-wop. What it was like? The Spud Webb ticket with the Larry Bird, yeah. And it's jumping from the free throw like MJ. I'm gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.